sir.
And J. Julius. Okay, so wala si J. Alright, sige. Sige, napaka-join. Okay, so continue pa na yun no, in our discussion about alkanes. Let me share my... Okay, kanino? Wala. Wala pa rin nato nansira, no? Yesterday. Okay, kani.
Wala pa, sir.
So, sige. Who would like to answer? Kani. Write the molecular formula and the IUPAC name for each alkane. What is the molecular formula and the IUPAC name of each alkane? Letter A. Who can name who, uh, first the molecular formula and the name? So, unsay molecular formula sa A? This is alkane. So letter A. Answer nato for letter A. Molecular formula. Then name. Okay. So molecular formula. Kinsay maka-answer? Unsay molecular formula ani nga tong letter A? Thessalonica. Say molecular formula.
Answer C5H12.
C5H12. Yes, correct. C5H12. Thank you, Thessalonica. Remember class, no? Mga basta alkane, natay formula nga CN, H2N plus 2. So for letter A, pila man ka carbon? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O, 5 carbons ng letter A. So C5, H2 times 5 plus 2. So C5, H12. Okay. So what is the name? Say name ani. John. John Gale.
Everything po, sir.
Ha? Yes. Unsa to? Kinsa gali to? Kinsa nag-raise si John? Unsa to? Si Christopher John. Si Christopher John ba to? Sorry.
I see. Yes, sir.
Si
Ang
Christopher
name,
John.
sir, sa compound is pentane.
Ang parent. Uh, Pentane. Unsa to? Sorry kayo. John kay medyo ang audio dili
Ang
kay klaro.
name, sir.
Ang name is Pentane.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pentane. Pero kuan man ni siya. Branch. Ang pentane kay katumang straight chain. But this one ay branching. Here. So kung i-redraw na to ang A, showing the carbon and hydrogen, ang A appears to be like this, no? CH3, then we have CH, CH3, or dili i-draw ginato para maklaro. Yeah, kadyo lang generous pero I will call you karon. So i-redraw nato ang A, una siya C, no? Tulo ka hydrogen. Then another carbon with carbon diha. So kani siya hydrogen. Kanis this is 3 hydrogen dire. Then another carbon. So this carbon should have 2 hydrogen. Then the last one na ay 3 ka hydrogen. So muni atong kuan letter A. Yes, generous. Say
Ako
answer.
ang answer is 2-methyl butane, sir.
2-methyl butane. So correct. 2-methyl butane. So ang atong pag-number, we start here, carbon 1, carbon 2, 3, and 4. So ang atong parent alkane is katong 4 carbons, which is the butane. Then naa din tay substituent nga naka-attach in carbon number 2. So the substituent CH3 is methyl nga naka-attach sa carbon number 2. So that would be, the name would be 2-methyl butane. So butane atong longest chain, 4 carbon. Then in carbon number 2, dito naka-attach atong methyl. So 2-methyl butane. Okay? Sige. Now letter B. Okay. Okay. Letter B. Give me the molecular formula of letter B. What is the molecular formula of letter B? B? Anybody? Raise hand. Yeah, French.
Answer
Joshua.
Answer C11H24 po.
C11H24. So C11, 11 carbon. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11 carbons. So that would be C11H24. Correct. Thank you, French. It's correct. Now the name. Oh, so uni karon pag name. Okay? So kung i-draw nato again ang letter B, first is unsa tong parent ani? Letter B is mura siya this carbon. So, kuha na siya CH3, no? Then this one, which is CH na lang ni kay naman tay carbon diri, which is kanang carbon diya sa baba, that is CH3. Then another carbon, CH2, another carbon here, nga unsa nang na sa kuan ni siya C C C ana na siya no, kana siya, so this should be CH3, kanida yon CH CH3, kani C. Then this one dapat na siya isa pa ka hydrogen. The next carbon is CH2, that would be CH2. another carbon, which is CH2 gyapon, then this carbon, then naitulo ka hydrogen, CH3. So muni atong letter B. No? Ikong i-redraw nato using the condensed structural formula. So first is asa tong longest chain ani pila ka carbon atong longest chain? Can you tell me?
7, sir.
7, asa man aning 7? Jenny?
Kanang linear lang, sir.
Kanina linya lang kanino. So muna atong parent. This is the longest chain. So this is our parent alkane. Now, kung mag-number ta, asa ta mag-start? Atong number 1, sa left or sa right?
Sa
Left,
left, sir.
sir.
So left.
Sir, sa left.
So left, yeah, very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, dali ani. Unsay name aning substituent sa carbon number 2?
Methyl, sir.
So natay mga substituent, identify nato itong mga substituent. Methyl, so that would be 2-methyl. Then naputay substituent in carbon number 4. Unsa na siya? Ang
Or
substituent in
propyl, sir. Propyl, sir.
propyl or what? Dili siya propyl. Siya nga alkyl. It is not propyl. But look at your kwan, be. Let's go to the alkyl. Katong mga alkyl nato, batuon sa nato, balikan. Yung slides of alkyl. Asa ba itong slides? Kani. So asa atong, this is propyl. Ang number 3 is actually, number 3, katong sa atong practice exercise, is actually kani. Dinhi man siya nagband daw kani. This is where ang banding nahitabo, ang attachment, no? So kani siya naka-attach dito sa atong carbon number 4. This one. So it's actually isopropyl. Question. Balik ta. Okay. So naatay 4 isopropyl. So say name ani. Ang name dayon is sa unahon, isopropyl or methyl?
Methyl, sir.
Methyl. Anong methyl? In di ba
Siya man
alphabetical
sir.
order?
Una ang
Ah,
isopropyl,
Unahon na
sir.
to
Aya ang
ang
methyl.
isopropyl. Aya dayon ang methyl because ang rules is, tesa akong i-review ang rule basta nasave ko. The rule would be in alphabetical order. So isopropyl first, then methyl. So ang name is 4 dash isopropyl dash 2 dash methyl. Then sa itong parent, heptane. So the name is 4 isopropyl 2 methyl heptane. Right? Question?
None so far, sir.
Okay, very good. Oh, now, it's common names. So, let's discuss about mga common names. For some, katong mga simple alkanes lang. Discuss natin yung mga common name. So the first three alkanes are the methane, ethane, and propane. So these are common names. So all alkanes with molecular formula C4H10 are called butanes. All those with molecular formula C5H12 are called pentanes, and all those with molecular formula C6H14 are called hexanes. These are common names. So for alkanes beyond propane, iso indicates that one end of an otherwise unbranched chain terminates in a CH3CH group. So kana ang iso is naani siyang anino CH3 CH CH3 siya. So this is butane. Now o kaning duha, these are constitutional isomers na sila molecular formula C4H10. So butane, kani siya is actually, kung gamito na to ang IUPAC system, ang iyang name is 2-methyl propane. That's its IUPAC name, no? 2-methyl propane. Muna yung IUPAC name for this one. But kung gamitan natin yung common name, this is an iso structure. Then, since total number of carbon is 4, so eh, in iyang common name would be isobutane. Ay, sa apos pasig na libog. Medyo lang. Ah. So again, these two constitutional isomers siya, ana siya'y molecular formula nga C4H10. And according to this rule, for common names, all alkanes with molecular C4H10 are called butanes. So example, kaning duha, C4H10 sila. Butane. Dapat butane ilang name. Common names niya, lahi itong sa IUPAC system. So they are all called butane. So this is butane, straight chain, and kaning branch, this is also called isobutane because of this iso nga structure. Then there are total of 4. So isobutane. So this is our iso. But kung basihan nato ang IUPAC, compare nato sa IUPAC nomenclature, atong straight chain is 1, 2, 3. So the name would be, in the IUPAC system, it is 2-methyl propane. So kana siya. Sa IUPAC na. Pero kung common name atong gamiton, it is isobutane. Another example for compounds with C5H12 like this one. Okay. Pareha aning duha. So kani pong duha, constitutional isomers po na sila of the compound with molecular formula C5H12. Okay. So this one, the unbranched alkane, yung name is pentane. For this one, this is the branched one, but again, with molecular formula C5H12. So all, again, sa common names, all molecular formula of C5H12 are called pentane. So this should be named as pentane also. Should be named as pentane. But this time, since naatay presence of this iso, this is our iso structure, then ang name niya would be isopentane. But kung iayupak nato, kung gamitan nato ayupak system, okay, give me the name sa kaning isopentane. Unsa iyang name sa ayupak? Uh-huh. Thessalonica. Yes, Thessalonica. Unsa
One,
iyang name?
sir. 2-methyl-butane, sir.
2-methyl-butane, correct. So this is 2-methyl-butane sa ayupak. No? But sa common name, according to the rules, sa common name, it will be called as pentane also, but isopentane because of the presence of the iso structure. But in ayupak, that's 2-methyl-butane because our longest chain is gani. This is our longest chain in the UPAC. And kung mag-number ta, we start from the right, no? So this carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. So the branching occur in carbon number 2, wherein naka-attach atong methyl group. So in a UPAC system, it is 2-methyl butane. Question? Okay. So kana lang ayun lang kay ko lang ang common names kay we usually use the ayupak, no. Will frequently, most of the time, our naming will follow the ayupak system or the ayupak nomenclature atong i-observe. Okay, so let us discuss how alkanes are obtained. So there are two major sources of alkanes, the natural gas and the petroleum. So muna yung mga sources of alkanes, no? Natural gas and petroleum. When you say natural gas, this natural gas consists of approximately 90 to 95% methane, 5 to 10% ethane, and a mixtures of other relatively low boiling alkanes. Okay, chiefly propane, butane, and 2-methyl propane. Then petroleum, when you say petroleum, this is a thick, viscous liquid mixture of thousands of compounds, most of them hydrocarbons, formed from the decomposition of marine plants and animals. So petroleum, thousands of compounds. It's a mixtures of different compounds, but majority are hydrocarbons, so carbon, hydrogen, or compounds of carbon and hydrogens. So petroleum and petroleum-derived products fuel automobiles, aircraft, and trains. So we know, no, that mga fuels sa mga cars, we are highly dependent. Our modern society are highly dependent. A modern society is highly dependent on petroleum product. Imagine na pagawas nimo sa kadaghan sa mga sakyanan nga nagdagan diha sa highway, those are all fueled by petroleum product, gasoline, diesel, no? Mga aircraft, okay. Mga trains are fueled by kuan, petroleum. So imagine kung unsa ta ka dependent on petroleum by kuan na lang, by mode of our in terms of the mode of our transportations, di ba? Sakay tag jeep, bus, mga rila, ang atong gisakyan from sa atong mga balay, these are all fueled by petroleum, no? And basically worldwide, okay, the transportation sector alone is dependent on petroleum. So nana ka importante ang petroleum, no? Munang mga countries, no? Kuan gid sila, makig-away gyud sila og territory. No? Territory nila just to for example like parang makakuan lang, makasecure sa katong mga areas nga rich with mga petroleum, na mga deposits sa mga petroleum. So kana, kaya we are very highly dependent. Imagine kung wala na siya or ma-deplete ang petroleum product, what will happen sa atong transportation alone sector? So makuan gyud. Naiingon sila nga naatay mga electric car, but electricity this time are also fueled by are produced by kanang kuan mga power plant that depends on petroleum ana or not necessarily petroleum but mga fossil fuels like coal. Oh, so kana no, so dependent kita sa kaning mga fossil fuel like petroleum and kuan other fossil fuel. Madali lang kay medyo nalobat. Mag-charge na ako akong tablet. Okay, so let's go back. So again, so this petroleum provide most of the greases and lubricants required for the machinery utilized by our highly industrialized society. Furthermore, petroleum, along with natural gas, provides nearly 90% of the organic raw materials for the synthesis and manufacture of synthetic fibers, plastics, detergents, drugs, dyes, and a multitude of other products. So kani sila no mga compounds derived from petroleum and natural gas are serves no as raw material for the synthesis of other products such as mga fibers, plastics, mga detergents, drugs, dyes, and many more. So that's how useful. So unsa ni siya? So okay, we have here this figure shows a how petroleum are processed no to produce different products. So petroleum is katupad ng raw nga fossil fuel no nga extracted underground, mined underground or under seabeds no kung naa siya sa oceans, so gina-mine na siya, gina-extract underground or beneath mga seabeds. So i-process din na siya to produce different products. One way to process petroleum is through a fractional distillation. Okay. So we have here a figure illustrating how fractional distillation is done. No? So i-heat na siya, then based on mga temperature differences, no, in terms of differences in boiling point, mas-separate dayon ang different components in petroleum. So basically, ang fractional distillations are heating the sample, then kuan din siya, separating the different components in the mixtures based on the boiling points, no? Mga differences in boiling points. So, so nata illustration din eh. So we have here the crude petroleum or the crude uh, oil and vapor are heated. So giheat din he. Then it undergo diri dahil sa atong condenser. This is our fractional condenser. Then based din sa mga differences in the boiling point, ma ma-obtain din ang different products. So katong lower boiling point, so dinhi siya dapit i-obtain. So we have gases here ma-produce. Katong mga boiling point range from below 20 degrees Celsius. So katong between carbon 1 to carbon 4 ng mga hydrocarbons. So these gases are used as fuels and reactants to make plastic. So serves as raw materials in producing other products like plastics. No, katong mga gases obtained, usually katong mga gases, mga hydrocarbons with 1 to 4 carbon atoms. The next dayon is the gasoline or the naphthas. No? So diri ma-obtain, no? These are mixtures pagyapon, no, of substances and usually boiling points that range from 20 to 200 degree Celsius. So mga gasoline siya with 5 to 12 carbons, hydrocarbon, used as motor fuels and industrial solvents, fuels. Then the kerosene, katong from 175 to 275 degrees Celsius on boiling points. These are usually hydrocarbons from 12 to 16 carbon atoms. No? C12 to C16 hydrocarbons. No? So these are used for lamp oil, diesel fuel, starting material for catalytic cracking. Then we have fuel oil from the boiling point range from 250 to 400 degrees Celsius. So these are usually carbon 15 to carbon 18 hydrocarbons and are used for catalytic cracking, heating oil, and diesel fuel. Then we have lubricating oil, which are above, the boiling point is above through 350 degrees Celsius. So these are the carbon 16 to carbon 20 hydrocarbons that are usually used as in mga lubricants, no, mga grease, lubricating oil. Then the residue dayon is the asphalt. So basically, no, muna siya ang diagram. So this diagram shows, no, the processing of petroleum through fractional distillation. So natin actual picture din sa planta yun, no, na ay fractional distillation. So this is a tower, a fractional distillation tower for petroleum. Okay. Cycloalkane. Then fourth. Okay, now let's discuss cycloalkanes. So cycloalkanes, these are hydrocarbon that contains carbon atoms joined to form a ring, and these hydrocarbon are called cyclic hydrocarbon or cycloalkane. So katong mag-form na og ring. So far ang atong mga na based sa atong discussions, we focus pa on the open chain alkane. So katong open chain lang siya, wala siya nag-form og ring. So this time mag-talk na tag about cycloalkanes. Katong nanay ring formations. So when all carbons of the ring are saturated, so only carbon-carbon single bonds are present, the hydrocarbon is called a cycloalkane. So kung it's a ring siya, but walay double bond, so it's cycloalkane. So cycloalkanes with ring sizes ranging from 3 to more than 30 carbon atoms are found in nature. And in principle, there is no limit to ring size. So five-membered or cyclopentane and six-membered cyclohexane rings are especially abundant in nature. So cycloalkane. So not example any. So these are example of cycloalkane. So nag-form into a ring. Nag-form siya ring. Okay. So katong four ka carbon atoms nga nag-form og ring. Okay. So it is called cyclobutane. So this is the structure, no, of cyclobutane. No? Muna siya kuan, na ni-form siya into a square, no? A shape na na-form is square. And of course, following the octet rule, this carbon is bonded to two hydrogens. So all carbons here in the ring, okay, aside from bonding to other carbon atoms, ni-bond siya to two hydrogen atom. So that would complete its octet. So murag ni ana na siya. Carbon, 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 carbon. Okay, to complete its octet, bond siya duha ka hydrogen. So each carbon atom is bonded to two hydrogen atoms. Okay, ano siya. Kung bulag-bulagon. This is the condensed structure. This is the line angle formula. So ang line angle formula is kung ano yun siya, polygon. No? So for cyclobutane, the shape is square. Cyclopentane pod, no? 5 carbons nga nag-form into a ring. So this is the condensed structural formula. This is the line angle formula in the shape of a pentagon, cyclopentane. For cyclohexane, so naatay cyclo, no? Sa ilang name, meaning it's a ring, okay, nag-form sila into a ring. So when we say cyclohexane, 6 carbons nag-form into a ring. So this is the condensed structural formula of cyclohexane. This is the line angle formula in the shape of a hexagon. So cyclohexane. So kung cycloheptane, sa na siya. Heptane means 7 carbons. So 7 carbons nag-form into a ring. Then, ang shape din ana is heptagon. Ang line angle formula dayon is in the form of a heptagon. Okay? So ana lang. So to name a cycloalkane, prefix the name of the corresponding open chain alkane with cyclo and name each subsequence on the ring. So naatay prefix nga mga cyclo. Cyclo, cyclo. Then kung naa siya mga subsequent pod, we will name the subsequent on the ring. Katong mga attachment sa ring. So if there is only one substituent on the ring, there's no need to give it a location number. So kung isa lang ka-substituent, wala na yung number kailangan. But if there are two or more substituent, number the ring beginning with the substituent first in alphabetical order. So nambiran ya po natong ring. Okay, kani kung isa lang ka-substituent, isa lang ang substituent nga na makita sa ring, there's no need to number. Wala na yung need nga nambiran pa nato ang mga carbons in the ring. But if there are two or more substituents, then we need to number those carbon in the ring, okay? Starting with the substituent that would be named first based on alphabetical orders. Okay, okay. Let's have example. Okay, let's use this practice exercise na lang as our example for discussion. All right. Okay. This is a ring. Okay. So ang atong parent alkane is the ring. Okay. And unsay name ani kani atong ring here? For letter A, for letter A,
Cyclohexane, sir.
cyclohexane. So there are 6 carbons, diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 carbons, cyclohexane. Now, then naa siya duha ka substituent. Kani CH3 and CH3. So kaning duha ka CH3, these are substituent nato, no? Naka-attach sa atong ring. Okay. According to the rule, since we have 2, for 2 or more substituent, dapat nambiran nato ang ring. So we can number it. Pareha man sila metal, so either way, no, bisag asa ta mo number. So we can start as our number 1 here. Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So for letter A, ano ko ibutang atong answer. Ang substituent are found in carbon 1 and 4. So both are methyl. So ang name dayon aning atong letter A compound is 1. Sa name nato ni 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane. So 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane. Ang letter, okay, question sa before tayo mag-move to letter B.
Excuse me, sir. Sa pag-numbering lugar, sir, kanang mag-start jud og asa ang kanang sa top, sir, kanang sa ibabaw, or pwede ra bisag asa.
Mag-start ta sa kung asa to, nambira nato. Pwede ra bisag asa. In case of letter A, kani letter A, pwede ra ta bisan asa, pwede ra ta, pwede ra pod din ani atong numbering. Pwede ta mag number 1 dire, 2, 3, 4, ana. 5,
So, kung
6. Kay sa letter A manggod, which when bisag asa nato sugdan atong number, it always give us 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane. Yes, unsa pa clarification. Go ahead.
I kuan, sir, kanang clarification lang, sir. So dili lugar siya pwede, sir, nga kanang mag-number dira kanang sa 2 bitaw, sir, kay bali ang kanang 2 mo na ang 1.
Dili. Dapat mag number 1 ta didto kung asa ang substituent naka-attach. Matagaan to siya lowest number ang
Ay, okay,
substituent.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you,
So,
sir.
ang atong rule sa numbering is dapat ang substituent mahatagan og lowest number. Since ring man ni siya, So ang atong carbon 1 should be katong naay subsequent. Oo. Ang carbon 1 is always katong naay substituent sa ring. Okay, so sige, tan-aw nato ning letter B. Letter B. Unsa ni atong ang atong parent here is as kani siya. Unsay name ani nga ring?
Cyclopentane, sir.
Cyclopentane. Kay kuan man ni siya 5 no 1 2 3 4 5 so 5. Okay, cyclopentane. Now, duha ka buka there are two different substituents here. Kani unsay ngalan ani nga substituent?
Propyl, sir.
Propyl. This is methyl, di ba? So asa ta mag-start og number? Asa atong tagaag number 1?
Ang sa propyl, sir.
Ang propyl. Propyl or ang methyl? Ang sa methyl. Okay, balik ta sa rule. So if there are two or more substituent, number the ring beginning with the substituent first in alphabetical order. So in alphabetical order, asa ang
Sa
first?
methyl, sir, methyl.
Methyl, M. Maguna man ang M, aya din ang P. So, methyl. So, kaning carbon nga dito naka-attach atong methyl, muni atong carbon 1. Then, ang direction din sa atong pag-number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Question, pwede ba mo go in the opposite direction? For example, ani atong pag-number. Number 1, gyapon tong naay methyl. For example, okay, number 1, gyapon ang methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O, so pwede ba na? Kanang orange ba ni? O kanang green nga number? Okay, pwede ba nato i-follow ning numbering kaning naka-green? Okay. Na
I think
kung
dili, sir, kay malahi na ang number sa propyl, sir.
dili pwede ang green because kung i-follow nato ang green, ang atong propyl is mabutang siya sa carbon 4. Kung kaning orange atong i-follow, ang propyl is mabutang sa carbon 3. And again, always in a UPAC system, always favored ka nga matagaan ang substituent og lowest number. So, ang IUPAC system of nomenclature, i-favor gyud always nga matagaan og lowest number ang substituent. So in other words, ang i-follow nato nga numbering is kaning naka-orange. Kay kung kani atong i-follow, it will give ang substituent propyl mabutang siya sa carbon 3, which is lowest number compared to carbon 4. So ang correct name ani is unsay name din ani? 1-methyl
3-propyl cyclopentane, sir.
3-propyl cyclopentane. Okay. Ako i-skip ang letter C kay special case ng letter C. Let's go first sa letter D. Letter D. Give me the name. Naglahi-lahi na ni akong color sa akong ink. Sige na lang. Letter D. Unsay name anong letter D? Can you give me unsay name sa letter D? So letter D, unsa ni nga ring ang na-form? Sa man ni siya kadagan ba kaya ni?
Cyclohexane, sir, nga duha ka buo.
Dili ni siya cyclohexane. Kung ano man isa na siya ka ring. Pila man ni? 1, pila kuha lang depende lang i-count daw pila ni ka carbons ning nag-form og ring? Pila ka
10.
carbon?
Cyclodecane, sir.
10. So that's cyclodecane, correct? Thank you. Cyclodecane. So ang substituent dayon, this one, bromine, di ba? And unsa ni? Nga alkyl. Unsa ni siya nga alkyl? CH2, CH3.
Ethyl, sir.
Ethyl, correct. This is ethyl. Asa na to ibutang atong carbon 1?
Sa bromine, sir.
Sa bromine. O naman yun siya. So, atong pag-number din is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, sa kana no? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, muna. Sorry, nawala lagi. Ako, sorry. Nara, murag sa akong screen. Asa ba akong mouse? Okay. Sa akong laptop, pwede nawala. Okay. So, unsay name? Ani? Letter D. Unsa nang bromine pagalan? So as a substituent, by the way, as a substituent, kaning mga halogens, gali na mga halogens, the starting from fluorine, bromine, fluorine, bromine, and iodine. So kanang mga fluorine, so, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So fluorine will be named as fluoro. Chlorine is chloro. Bromine is named as bromo. Ang iodine dayon as iodo. So this would be bromo. So ang name dayon is unsabi? Give me the complete name of compound D. Ano naman siya? 1. So 1 bromo,
1 bromo, 4 ethyl cyclodecane, sir.
4 ethyl cyclodecane. Okay. Okay, that's it. Letter E. Letter E na ta. Sa man pud ni siya. Unsa ni nga alkyl? Tanawa to inyo mga alkyl kung saka na siya. Nga alkyl ang letter E.
Isopropyl, sir.
Yeah, isopropyl. Correct. This is isopropyl. So, okay, asa ta mag-start og number? Number 1, aning letter E?
Isopropyl, sir.
Isopropyl, sir.
Isopropyl. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ang name dayon is
1 isopropyl.
1 isopropyl.
Methyl
2
cyclohexane.
methyl
2-methyl
Cyclohexane, sir.
cyclohexane. Correct. Very good. So, master na kayo mo. Ready na mo for the exam. Duha na ka exam. Letter F. Sa naman po ni ang letter F. Sonata. Unsa ni siya nga dili na ako isbutang ang name sa letter F. Sa space ni.
Cyclohexane, sir.
Ang letter F is cycloheptane.
Heptane, sir.
Heptane. One. Asa ta mag-start og number? Unsa ni siya? Unsa ni nga alkyl kani?
Third butyl, sir.
Correct. This is tert butyl. Kuan na siya, di ba? Kanang letter F, kuan ni siya kaning CH3, CH3, CH3. And that is tert butyl. Tert butyl. Asa man ta mag-number una, ani?
Sa bromine, sir.
Sa bromine. So, asa ta pa number? Pa clockwise or counterclockwise? 1, pa
Clockwise, sir.
clockwise ta. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, unsa na ni ang name ani? 1
1
bromo,
bromo, 3 methyl, 4 tert butyl cycloheptane, sir.
check lang, 1 bromo, between methyl and tert-butyl, unsay unahon nato pag in alphabetical order?
Ang
Butyl,
methyl,
sir.
sir.
Okay, kana siya. Stay sa ako sang klarohon basig masayupot ko. Aha. Okay. Cycloalkanes. Okay. So, klaro na. Unahon nato pag-mention ang tert-butyl. Kani bitaw, if like kaning mga hyphenated nga kuan like tert-butyl, hyphen-butyl. Oh. The third is dili na siya i-appeal nato pag-consider in alphabetizing. Dinhi gyapon ta mag-start sa B, butyl. Like butyl, sick hyphen butyl. So kanang sick dili na to i-appeal pag consider in pag-determine sa based on alphabetical order. So kanang mga third sa butyl, sick butyl, ana. So not considered na sila. So we still dito gyapon ta sa butyl. Oh, okay. So therefore, ang name would be 1 bromo. Ano din ang name? 1 bromo
4 butyl, 3
4
methyl,
butyl. No, not 4 butyl.
cycloheptane,
4 tert butyl. 4 tert butyl and 3 methyl. Dapat one word ni daw. Wala na kay space. Pero dapat one word. Cycloheptane. So cycloheptane. One word na siya. Dapat. So yun na. For ang letter F, again, name is 1-bromo 4-tert-butyl 3-methyl cycloheptane. In alphabetical order, based on kaning mga substituent found in letter F nga compound, unahon pag-mention ang bromo, next then tert-butyl, because again, dito ta magbase sa butyl, not sa tert. So tert-butyl, then methyl tayo. So for letter F, the complete name is 1-bromo 4-tert-butyl 3-methyl cycloheptane in one word. Kanang separate ba ng heptania? Question before nato i-discuss ang letter C?
None so far, sir.
None so far. Sige, very good. How about the others? Wala yapon. Okay, so wala. Pwede na nako i-resolve ng mga writings nini para na ko space to write for letter C.
Yes, sir.
So na nako Alright. Wala yung tanan. Ang letter C, dili ta karon mag-discuss sa letter C. Natay substituent na putay ring. Okay. Naatay open chain na yun. Ang ring nato is cyclobutane. No? For letter C, ang atong ring compound is the cyclobutane. Unang ring. The not substituent, basing basing makuan ko kanang usitaw kana okay. The ring is the cyclobutane. The open chain alkane. Ang tawag nato anang dili ring is open chain alkane. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So 5 carbon or see, for the purpose of discussion, the op sorry, the open chain alkane is C5 hydrocarbon. Now, ay sa anong nawala kaysa kajut lang plus sa akin. Kaka-erase, kaka-automatic erase. So natay cycloalkane nga ring balik. Uy nga taysa kay murag nagsalimo ang akong tablet. No, balik. Erase all. Gakawala gid siya. Uy, gabalik gakawala. Kajut. But kaning case sa letter C, the cyclobutane is actually kani siya maoy actually atong substituent. This is our parent alkane. Nganong nanin-ana na? Because mas daghan ni siya carbon atom compared to this one. So in other words, mas longer chain siya compared to cyclobutane. 5 carbon versus 4 carbon in our cyclobutane. So here, the cyclobutane is treated as a substituent. So as a substituent, it is considered as an alkyl group ang atong cyclobutane. So as a substituent, it will be named as cyclobutyl. So mahimo siyang cyclobutyl. Okay. So ang ato ding parent nga kaning parent alkane kani siya mo'y atong at numberan para ma-identify nato asa naka-attach atong substituent nga cyclobutyl. So nambira nato pwede ta mag-number diri either ways it will give us the same number. So pwede ta mag-number 1 dira 2 3 4 5. Okay, kadali lang ha. Okay, so balik ta. So substituent siya as ang kating ring nato. A cyclobutane ring is a substituent. So as a substituent, it will be named as cyclobutyl. So ang parent din nato is kanino? Kaning 5 carbon which is a pentane. So unsay name nato ani sa atong letter C. Ang name din nato would be asa ko mo nagiging space. So the name then for letter C compound is 3-cyclobutyl pentane because pentane is our parent alkane. So 3-cyclobutyl pentane. Okay, question?
And so far, sir. So far, sir.
Okay, wala. Thank you so much. Ang uban, walay pangutana. I hope ha, nga nasabtan while very silent kayo ta karon sa klase. Alright. The practice exercise. Napaday. Okay. Practice exercise. Napatay time. Mga 10 minutes before ta mag-end. So, ansiyanan lang nato ning practice exercise. Duha ra man ni kabuk, duha ra ka compound. Okay. Kani lang. Kani later na na. Write the molecular formula and the IUPAC name for each alkane. Say name, IUPAC formula, molecular formula, and IUPAC name for each cycloalkane. All right. Letter A, unsa kay molecular formula ani atong letter A? So murag di na nato ma-apply tong CnH2n plus 2 this time. Huh. Letter A.
One, sir. One isopropyl cyclopentane, sir.
Okay, isa naman ka substituent no? Kani dira. So kani siya, unsa ni siya nga unsa ni? Isopropyl. So kung isa lang ka substituent, dili na ta magbutang og number. So ang letter A, diretso na nato inganan siya as isopropyl cyclopentane. Correct. Then for letter B, sakto na siya. That's a correct name. No, isopropyl cyclopentane. But wala na tayong number because siya naman isa nga substituent naka-attach sa atong cyclopentane ring ang isopropyl. Ang letter B, okay, this is carbon. So this should be CH3. Kani siya, unsa ni siya nga alkyl group. CH3 diha, CH3, CH3. Oh, kana. Third butyl. Third butyl pa ni? Dili, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lagi, third butyl. Third butyl. So, asa ta mag-number una? Sa methyl or sa third butyl? Sa letter
Sa
B.
third butyl, sir.
Sa third butyl. So, atong number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, first, ang ngalan, ang third butyl. So, 1, third butyl. Sorry, butyl. 4-methyl cyclohexane. Hexane. Now, for the molecular formula, napatay molecular formula. Unsay molecular formula sa isopropyl cyclopentane? So dapat mabawaan nato pila ni carbon tanan. So again kani carbon, 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 carbon. So sa letter A pila ka carbon na tanan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So C8. Ang hydrogen, so karon pila man ni ka hydrogen? Kani si H3 ni dinhi, di ba? Ana si H3. Sorry, nandoble na akong carbon. So CH3. This one, napa na siya isa ka hydrogen. Kani nga carbon here, na siya isa ka hydrogen. To complete the octet. And the rest dayon is tagduha. So tagduha ni siya sila. 2. So pila na tanan ka hydrogen? Counting nyo?
16,
6.
sir.
16 ba? Sakto ba? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16. ACH16. Oh, ana ra. Alright, so kanina po sa letter P. Si pambutang na para maklaro gyud pila ka hydrogen. Tanga na itong mga carbon. Carbon. Then complete the octet. Kaning sa carbon number 4, kulang pa ni siya isa ka hydrogen. Ang carbon 1 po, di ba? Carbon number 1. Na siya isa ka hydrogen. The rest dayon tagduha. Tagduha na lang. Tagduha. So pila na total hydrogen? Pila man ni kabuk hydrogen kadagan man ni. Ang carbon sa day pila ka carbon? Kadagan ba ni nga carbon? Impapi.
10 sa carbon, sir.
10 or 11?
11, guys.
11. So 11 carbon, pila ka hydrogen. Sige, hapa daw lang ka hydrogen. Kadagan ba ni nga hydrogen? 1, 2, 3. 12,
22,
22.
sir.
22. So each C11, H22. Okay. Alright. May pasa ha. Alright, question?
None so far, sir.
None so
May
far, sir.
question? Sige.
And so far, sir.
Hmm. Alright, so kuan yun. Murag time na yun. 11:30 na or 11:28. Okay, so kung walay question, that's all. Then, kalusa ta balik? February 3? No, kaya naman may 1 week nga kuan. Mag-enjoy mo for a week. So, isa pa. Yeah, wala ko schedule sa quiz, sa test. Nato. Sige, mangita natin schedule ana. 1 week. Okay, kung wala na yung pangutana, that's all no for our class. Then, see you sa kuan next meeting nato. And take note sa pagbalik sa February kuan na first activity sa lab. Okay? So, bring katong mga materials na dapat dalon ninyo during laboratory. So, naaway kuan day during laboratory yeah kuan ay oo mag-lab naman ta so kuan na lang ang Monday group mag-meet sa Monday sa February 3. Then, so, at itong Wednesday group po, ay, Thursday, during Thursday. Sige, kung wala na pangutana, wala na may pangutana or other concerns. So if there are none, thank you so much and bye everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Bye,
thank you.
sir. Thank you, sir.